Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V. We're talking about that generation right here, guys, from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the dome light fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way you don't waste your money. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. In addition, we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. We will need to check two different fuses for the dome light, and they will be in two different fuse boxes. You have two different fuse boxes. We will start with the one that's not so convenient, guys, and it's on the inside of your Honda CR-V. This is the dash, right under the dash on the driver's side above the pedals. Look all the way up in the corner on the left side. You will notice that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here, guys. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, let's explain here, okay, which fuse we need to check specifically. One fuse in this fuse box, and then we have another one, and we're talking about fuse number 35. That fuse right here is fuse number 35, 7.5 amp fuse. Now you need to go inside, okay, the engine bay, open the hood. That's the engine fuse box right here, engine management fuse box. Open that cover here, guys, and you will see that layout here. We need to check one more fuse. This is towards the front of the Honda CR-V. This is towards the windshield side, and we will need to check, guys, one more fuse here. We're talking about fuse number 28. Okay, let me zoom in. That 7.5 amp fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.